This is already too tiring. Oh. Ow. Whew. Too many big rocks here. What? It shows full. How is that possible?
How's that? I know, weird.
No, mine's missing one dot. Well, you have 1800 watt. I only have 1600.
But you can check on your app, right?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me check my. I don't even know what I started. I probably started very close to full.
Yeah.
Okay, what the heck? Okay, so I hope it'll connect.
Oh shoot, did I connect to yours? I connected to yours. 70%.
Mine's at 70?
Yeah. Now I need to switch. How do I know which is which?
How do we know which is which?
Oh, that's yours. Get off.
Mine says 80.
Why is it going on yours? Okay.
So
12.
Buds, what's yours? I think
mine's the 20, whatever. Is it? No.
I think mine's got way 12193.
Oh yeah.
What's Buds? That's
yours. Oh, he's coming up.
Okay.
Oh, mine's the 20 something, yeah.
Mine's at 80. Thank you. Alright.
Nice.
Nice.
Alright. Yeah, it's showing 71%. Which is weird. Yours shows 70. Well, I guess I started at 100% because I charged before I left.
Now I actually could say nice to bikers.
Yeah.
I'm on my pedal unit.
It's crazy.
They go, oh man, good effort, nice, right? And,
yeah.
And here I'm saying it back to them. Before they're all, yeah.
So I'm on this and I'm tired. Well, I guess there's a lot more kind of like shock that your body has to do. On the bike, they usually have like a good suspension that helps it. But still, it's crazy. They gotta pedal all the way.
Yeah, imagine I climbed up here with the it's kind of crazy.
Alright.
Okay.
Ready?
Let me see about this speed. No, maybe even a little slower.
I need some more high altitude training. I'm losing oxygen.
Okay, so we have to shove our way up.
Yep. Alright. Whew. Whew. Oh shoot. Oh God. I'm too scared. Okay. I'm sweating and I'm not paddling. Oh, God. Pick up some speed. Oh God. Got some pedestrians coming. Bikers. Thank you. I know. Oh shoot. This loose gravel.
So the MCM5 supposed to climb better.
Huh?
14-inch wheel, shoot, it's not going to absorb much, you know?
Yeah.
So this feels a lot better for off-road. Yeah. Even though, nah, I wouldn't want to take a MCM5. It wouldn't be that comfortable.
Ready to push it? I can hear the wheel struggling a little bit. Oh shit. Nope.
Let's not risk it. Let's not risk burning it always.
When it gets all these big rocks, I don't know. Steep with the big rocks, I don't wanna. Let me check. Oh, don't suicide it up here. You're gonna have to toss it off the cliff to get it.
Let's do a selfie.
Is it going? 40 minutes since we started.
40 minutes only?
Yep.
Man, you know how long it would take on my pedal unicycle? Forever.
Oh, he's all the way down there now.
All right.
Get him in there.
I know.
Do a selfie with him in there, so it's like, this is how far we've...
I can't even see him. I gotta zoom in. There's our bicyclist. Sometimes we gotta watch out for those mountain bikers.
Yeah, they'll be flying down.
Oh, this is not even it. So after the peak, there's there's even after the peak is even nicer. Which I only did a little portion of it afterwards. Because I was exhausted. Okay. Oh, so we're gonna have to enter through another gate. So
Another gate.
yeah, another cow gate.
Leaving the cattle.
Yep.
Oh shoot, this one looks pretty steep. Let's see, I'm gonna have to start in, just push the whole way.
This should be okay. Yep, push it. Lean into.
Loose rock.